Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have some pieces by Jeulia Jewelry to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So this just arrived and Jeulia Jewelry did send me this for review. So thank you so much for sending me your jewelry to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. Now, if you guys have been with me for some time, then you know how much I am loving Jeulia Jewelry. This is the only jewelry company I will be bringing on my channel. That is a fact. I wear their jewelry every single day with pride and I am loving it. Nothing has ever happened, tarnished, broken, stones fall out, nothing like that. I absolutely love everything that I have received, and I'm so glad that I get to show you something else. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this, and then I'm going to show you a little video of Jeulia Jewelry that I love to show you guys, and just kind of goes over a little bit more on how they make and handcraft everything, and it's just, I like that video, so I'll play that towards the end. So when you do receive it, there's actually 2 items in there. That's why this box is a little bit bigger. But if you only purchase 1 item, the box would be smaller. But there's 2 things inside. So this is the box that it comes in, all nice and black with their logo on top. They also have very, very unique jewelry boxes and ring boxes. So if you were to purchase a ring for a gift, let's just say, they have so many really neat boxes that like open up or twist open, or just the way that it opens up in a unique way. Or there's tons of different jewelry boxes that they have that look amazing as well. Everything will be linked down below. You can take a look at everything that they have. They have men's, they have women's, they have all different occasion type things. They have new and exciting things coming out. Let's go ahead and dive in and see what's inside. So when you first open it up, no matter what size box you have, you do get little pages on top. There is this that says stop, do not proceed. Make sure you read this if you are getting a ring that is sized, because this tells you there's going to be a piece of paper on it. If you take that tag off of the ring, you cannot return it, exchange it, do anything like that. So make sure it fits 100% before you remove that tag. And that's what this is telling you right here. If you need to do exchanges or anything like that, do not remove the tag. So there's that. And then they always give you a nice little pamphlet down inside with new and exciting items. I love looking through this because it just shows you a lot of their beautiful jewelry and some, like I said, oh, and that collection I absolutely love. I have that. I love that collection. But again, there's just so many different things. This one I have too. It's a butterfly, and literally this one I have. It's ladybug, sorry. And it opens. When you press your finger down, the wings like expand and open. It is so neat. But yeah, so here's what I have that watch too. There's some more watches. And there's that. So they also give you a bag. So if it is for a gift, all you have to do is open this up. You can drop your box down inside. Inside of the bag itself, it does come with a greeting card. So you can write who to and from, write a little note. Down inside here is your cleaning cloth. So if this is not for a gift, remove your cleaning cloth so you can use this to clean your jewelry. There's several different colors. They're sent at random. It just says Jeulia right on it. So you can use this to clean your jewelry. And then, like I said, you can drop it in there. But if it's not for a gift, enough about the bag. Let's see what is going to be in there. So again, this is their 2-for box if you purchase 2 items at once. And let's go with the first one right inside. Ooh, and this is the ring. So here's the box that it comes in. You could always store them in here if you would like, but I always normally wear a lot of my jewelry. So this is what it comes like in this little bag. And then here is the tag that I was telling you about. So again, if anything is sized, you will have this attached, and that is what you cannot remove unless you know it fits. I know my ring size, so I already know that it is going to fit. So see, it fits perfectly. And this one is from them too. This is the one that I purchased myself, and I have not really taken that one off, and I do kind of sleep with that one. I've been wearing it like every single day. So here is the new one. It kind of resembles kind of like a chain, and then it has the stones that go all the way around. I thought this would also be cute as like a thumb ring if I wanted to. So it basically fits both of these fingers. They're the same size. So I can get away with both, whatever I want to do. But I think that is just super pretty, very, very delicate. It doesn't look too bling blingy or anything like that. It just looks really nice and subtle. It looks very, very petite and just really pretty. So I'm super, super impressed with that. And then the earrings look like this. So it has like the 3 little loops that hang, but you can just remove that. So if you just wanted to have just this sitting there, or if you want to have it hanging, so you have the option of having just a simple hoop or the hoop with the chain. And then it does have the little stones that go down the middle one that's hanging, and then through the whole top and the back on the hoop. So, oh my goodness. So there's both of them together, easier for you to see that way. I think I'll do that. I'm just gonna have both of them hang. This is another set that I got from them before that I never ever take off. In the shower, nothing. I never take this off. This one is from them too. So I just stuck the new one right in the middle. So then it'll go up like that. There we go. I think that is super cute. So there you have it. I got this ring that matches these earrings, and you can customize those if you don't want them hanging. You can remove that part if you want. And I think that is just super cute that it matches. So I love things that match. I just think those are adorable. Thank you so much, Jeulia Jewelry, for sending me another amazing jewelry piece. You guys know I love this jewelry. I just know that Jeulia Jewelry is amazing. I have been wearing it with pride for years. So I want to stick to something that I know is a very good quality, B, a very good company, and something that is going to last and save you a lot of money. So there's that. That is everything that I have for this particular video. If you want a little bit more information about Jeulia Jewelry, I will let you know right about now. I do have my own code, which is SheCrafty15, and that'll get you 15% off your total, which is awesome. I love when companies save you guys money. So SheCrafty15 will save you 15% off. Holidays are coming up. This would be amazing gift ideas, that kind of thing. So keep that in mind. On the ring sizes, they go anywhere from size 3 all the way up to 15 and half sizes in between. So whatever finger you would like to put it on, you can definitely get that size all the way up to a size 15. The Jeulia stone is an excellent alternative to natural gemstones because it is more scratch resistant for everyday wear. And again, I wear mine every single day. I don't have scratches. I don't have wear and tear or anything like that. I don't even clean them, but they look amazing all the time because it's such good quality, and they take pride in their jewelry, and it shows 100%. Unlike natural gemstones that are mined from the earth using large machinery, explosives, and unsafe working conditions, the Jeulia stone was developed to be more durable with better optical characteristics than of a diamond while maintaining an ethical standard to protect our environment. So they do have a little scale on their website that says a Jeulia stone versus an actual mined diamond, and looks like a diamond. Check, check. Durable. Check, check. Hardness, a Jeulia stone comes in as a number 9, where a real mined diamond is a 10. So it's only one underneath a real mined diamond. The density is a 5.70 with a Jeulia and a 3.52 for a mined diamond. 100% ethically sourced is only for a Jeulia stone. Potentially harmful mining is only for a mined diamond, and you can save a lot of money with Jeulia than going with a mined diamond. Measuring an impressive 9 out of possible 10 on the scale of mineral hardness, with proper care and cleaning, your Jeulia stone can be treasured for a lifetime. Our proprietary stone is hand cut and fastened in-house to shine brilliantly and provide a beautiful sparkle with bright, vibrant color. It can also be created in colorless form, which we use in our jewelry to stimulate the amazing fire and brilliance of a natural diamond. We are confident that you will not find a better alternative in the market that shares the same quality and affordability as our Jeulia stone. Our commitment is to avoid putting more strain on our natural resources with providing gemstones that are 100% traceable. There's 30-day returns, free standard shipping over $99, and there is a 1-year warranty. They have flexible financing, secure shopping, and all of their jewelry is $925 sterling silver. So if you do want to watch the video that I love to show you guys, here you go.
My name is Laura and I'm one of the head designers for Jeulia Jewelry. Jewelry is not just something you wear, it's something you feel. It's not just a fashion statement, it's a way of life. Jeulia Jewelry has the ability to not only personalize the look, but also to evoke emotion and create memories. This is the very mentality of Jeulia Jewelry, and we create beautiful premium artisanal jewelry that express, that reflect who you are and what you stand for. Pieces that you won't only wear to ceremonies and parties, but that you'll want to wear throughout your everyday life. Our dream is to make you feel an emotional connection to our jewelry, which is why each of our personalized designs are 100% handcrafted to offer you what you love from our heart to your heart. Everything we offer is made in-house, so we know that craftsmanship like this comes from caring hands and not from an assembly line, to ensure that the end product is a beautiful representation of the woman wearing it. Inspiration is a finicky concept because it comes from one's perception of this reality, and so therefore you can open a book, a fairy tale book in your workplace and be inspired, and other times you walk around and you see random items and they push you to create the most beautiful jewelry. I would say in the end, making jewelry is almost dreamlike because it allows you to tap into your emotional feelings, which is precious. Yes, Jeulia, I love me.
All right, you guys, so that is everything that I have to show and say for this particular video. Comment down below and let me know, what did you think of the items that I received today? The ring, the earrings. What do you think of Jeulia Jewelry in general? Have you ordered from them? I know some of you guys have, and you guys are loving your pieces just as much, and I love hearing that because I really do love this jewelry. So that is everything. Again, comment down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.